What's going on, guys? We got some more parts for Jeremy's Civic. I'll go over those in just a second. Also, FedEx came with a package this morning, which I believe is a pretty big package for the hatch. But unfortunately, I was not up early enough when they came by and I have to sign for it, so they're gonna come back tomorrow. So hopefully I can get that. If it is what I think it is, then I'm pretty excited for that because it might be a new transmission for the hatch. So we'll see. I think that's what it is. But yeah, we got a new blow-off valve for Jeremy's Civic. This is a Tile blow-off valve, except it's eBay, so don't be fooled by the Tile logo. It is like a $50 waste or blow-off valve. So that took forever to come in because it came in from China. And we also got the flanges for his manifold, just a B18 head flange right there. And we also have a T3 turbo flange right here as well for the manifold. And I'm actually gonna be taking these over to a old friend of ours today. And yeah, we'll go from there. Always a bunny in our yard. Hey, buddy. Ow, ow, ow. Going to be driving the MR2 today. It's really nice out. Figured it'd be a good day to cruise the MR2. Another thing on Jeremy's car, his currently is running like really weird. It has a voltage issue that we thought was the alternator, but I guess it's not that. He changed it out and it's still having the same issue. When he drives it around, especially at night when he turns the headlights on, all the interior lights and the headlights start, you know, flashing on and off constantly. I had the same problem a while back in my hatch, and a couple of friends had the same problem, and it turned out just to be the alternator, but I guess on his car it is something different. He was doing some research online and people are saying it's like the fuse box or something in the fuse box. So we have to get that figured out before we can start turboing this thing. But yeah, let's get the MR2 started. I can't wait till I redo the exhaust so I stop getting all this black soot on my paint right here. It's annoying. Real quick, want to make sure we have enough gas. I haven't driven this thing in a few days. Oh yeah, she's almost full. We're set, boys. This car is so fun to drive. All right, guys, so I'm over at Hayden and Wyatt's shop. I've been over here for a while now. I was helping Hayden and Carlos work on their all-motor Civic, or this is Carlos's all-motor Civic. They're pulling the tranny out of that to upgrade it to a dog box, but yeah, I didn't really know what to say, but I'm over with Hayden right now. We really don't have any more beef between us or anything like that. I've been over here a few times, but I just never filmed it or anything like that. But
I guess I wouldn't really call it beef. It's just more of like I just didn't really know what was going on.
Yeah, I didn't even know how to film
like
this.
Mini beef, but not.
Yeah, it was like a mini beef, but we're good. We're good now.
We're both real awkward, so we didn't know what to say.
Yeah, so I didn't know how to go about this honestly,
yeah.
But just showed up. We hung out for a while. I've been over here for a good few hours. It's dark outside now.
It's like 8 or.
Dude, I got here like pretty long time ago. But yeah, so I brought Hayden the flanges. He's gonna be making the manifold for Jeremy's car. He already has the collector done right here. So he owed me a little bit in the past, and this is just a good way to work it out. We're kind of helping each other out. I don't have to go through the hassle of making a manifold, and he's willing to do it for me, and he has gotten really good over the last year, so I have no problem with that. His manifolds look really good. So yeah, he's gonna be working on that for us. And
hopefully by the weekend I should have it done.
Hey, you're starting to get kind of busy now too with them, huh?
Yeah, I gotta make 2. Well, I was supposed to make them today, but I'll finish them tomorrow. But I have a couple other I gotta do too. But I'll just do your guys' real quick and get it done, so that way you guys can make some more videos and whatnot on it.
Yep, so I know it'll turn out good. I've seen his manifolds. It's gonna look like the one, yeah, like on Wyatt's car over there. I don't know if Wyatt wants me showing his stuff.
Fuck him, dude. I made it, and he got a sponsorship. So
I'm sorry, Wyatt, if you didn't want me to show this.
he already uploaded it.
But it looks good though. It looks good though.
Yeah.
Look at that. So yeah, the manifold's gonna look just like that. Got that nice hood exit.
If he wants that,
Wonder where he got that idea.
That baller ass.
His looks better than mine.
Drop. I can make him one also, and a dump too. But he doesn't want a hood exit. So.
Yeah, I think Jeremy just wants his to go down, and we'll figure it out from there. But yeah, it's definitely been a minute since me and Hayden have been in a video together.
Yeah, been a minute.
Like,
been a
I don't even remember the last video. It was probably like
the one.
It was when I was doing something with my MR2.
No.
Which
it
one?
Might have been when you were making a manifold for your wagon.
You were in a video?
Mm-hmm. We were talking about the head flange because I was laughing about how thin the head flange was. Maybe.
Oh, yeah, it was around that time. It was like, it was when I got the head flange in from eBay, and it was crap.
Yeah.
But I didn't make the manifold yet. By the time I actually made the manifold,
I don't think
you guys were out after that.
Yeah.
When I made the top mount for it. But yeah, it was around that time. I also remember like when I was getting my MR2 ready to take it to Bandamere too. That was like one of the last times I had you in a video as well. I don't remember, but it's definitely been a few months for sure.
It's been a long time. Long time.
Yep, I've missed Lucy.
Missed Lucy more than me, probably.
But yeah, and I actually go to school like just a couple minutes away from their shop. So I've swung by a few times since then. You have to admit those burritos are pretty good, huh?
Yeah,
from that place.
Brought me some breakfast burritos.
Yeah, they're dank. But I really don't have anything more to say other than that. Me and Hayden are cool. He's gonna be doing this manifold, like I said. So just gotta wait for that, and then we'll be able to get more work done on Jeremy's Civic.
That's the only thing though, is I think I might have to take this whole mount all the way out. This one? Yeah, because we'll see. I might be able to lower it and pull it out the way. Alright, we'll have to like angle it out.
Alright guys, so I am back. Pretty much all I did today was hang out over at Hayden's shop, got those flanges dropped off so he can make the manifold out of those. So I know it's been a long time since we have been in a video together, but it's cool we're finally, you know, doing something together for once. So yeah, I could definitely make the manifold myself. You guys have seen in the past that we have done them, but I know he's gonna do a really good job. You know, he's doing that like for a living right now. That's his job, and he's gotten really good at them. So it was cool that he offered to do that for us. I have no problem with that, and it saves some time for me so I don't have to worry about making the manifold, and I know it's gonna come out great. So he thinks he can have that done by this weekend. I'm in no rush for it. We still need a couple more things for Jeremy's car, but once we get that manifold done, then we're gonna be able to start mocking everything up from there. And yeah, it's pretty much it for tonight, guys. Like I said, didn't do too much, but I was just gonna throw this quick video together and let you guys know how my day went, and that manifold is gonna start being made for Jeremy's Civic, so we can get his boosted here pretty soon. Also, I'm gonna make sure that I actually get up early tomorrow for when they come and bring the package tomorrow, which I believe is for the hatch, like I said. So hopefully it is what I think it is, because I'm starting to get pretty excited. And if it is what I think it is, we're probably gonna throw it in the hatch, you know, tomorrow, next couple days or whatever. And then, yeah, then the hatch is gonna be a little more legit. We still need to do some other things to it because I do plan on turning it up. So we still have to do some fuel stuff as well. But yeah, hopefully all goes well with what we are getting for it. And I mean, I already said earlier that it is a transmission. I'll show you guys more about what exactly it is when it comes in. But I've been also holding off on the minivan as well. If you guys notice, I haven't been driving that or doing anything with it in the last few videos. But it's because I was waiting for this new one to come in for the hatch. And then what I'm gonna do is put the transmission that's in the hatch now into the minivan so that it has an LSD, because right now the minivan is still open diff. It still is the stock transmission, so with stock gears and stock synchros and stuff, but at least it will have that LSD, so the van will be able to hook up a little better. And yeah, so I was just kind of waiting on that. And the van still needs some plates. The ones that are on there now have expired, so I have to figure out emissions and all that dumb stuff so I can actually get some up-to-date plates on the minivan and go drive it. But yeah, that's what we have going on for right now, guys. It's gonna be it for tonight. So more of just an update video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.